Here's an example of some addition problems that have the same size pieces on the bottom. We have 3/8, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to add to it 2/8, 1, 2. Because the pieces are the same size, we can just add up the number of pieces that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. And the size of the piece are eighths. Here are sixths. That's a bit larger. See, the size of the sixths are different than the size of the eighths. We have 4 of these sizes. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And 1 more sixth over here. Because the size of the pieces are all the same, we can simply add up the number that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4 is here, and 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. The bottom number names the size of the piece, sixths. I don't have an example of tenths. They would be skinnier, though, than these pink ones. But I do know that there are 10 in the tens are the same labels on both of these fractions. So I'm allowed to add up the number of pieces on in the numerator. 2 plus 7 is 9, and copy the size of the piece. Both of these denominators are the same, which tells us that the size of the piece is the same if we were to have an actual circle. So I can add up the top numbers, the numerators. 7 plus 4 is 11, and copy the number for the size of the piece. The nines are the same, though the denominators are the same. So both of these pieces have the same size to the shape. 5 plus 2 is 7. Copy the size of the piece. And in this time, we're going to just look here really quickly. They're both 11ths, so I know that these 5 pieces and these 3 pieces are the same size. 5 plus 3 is 8, and the size of the piece is 11ths.